Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're starting with clean, slightly damp skin because vitamin C penetrates better that way. Once done, dispense 3-4 drops into your fingertips. You don't need more. Tap the serum onto forehead, cheeks, nose, and chin. Don't rub harshly. Make sure to use light outward strokes to spread evenly. This reduces product waste and irritation. If you have active irritation, pause and spot test. Otherwise, wait 30-60 seconds for initial absorption before proceeding to layering. Once the serum has set, layer a hydrating serum or moisturizer to seal it. Hyaluronic acid works well because it draws moisture in. If you use retinol or benzoyl peroxide, make sure not to mix them directly with vitamin C. Either alternate nights or apply the lower pH product first and wait 1-2 minutes before the next. This minimizes irritation and preserves efficacy. If you use multiple actives, start slowly, every other day, and increase frequency as your skin tolerates it. You must finish your morning routine with broad-spectrum SPF 30 or higher because vitamin C can make skin more photosensitive. If you experience stinging, redness, or increased peeling, stop using the serum for 48-72 hours and switch to simple moisturizers. Then patch test a smaller area before reintroducing. Make sure to store the bottle in a cool, dark place. If the serum darkens or smells unusual, discard it. Oxidized vitamin C loses potency and can irritate.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.